Okay, so just stopped by this car show. I figure get a little footage here. Got a 2003 Silverado SS. This is July 5th at this car show. Car and truck show. 03 SS 6.0 all-wheel drive, 345 horse, 380 pounds of torque. 03 Silverado 6.0 all-wheel drive, 345 horse, 380 pounds of torque. Just detailed up the engines. The outside has not been detailed. I got to get them out to my buddy Chris. Looks clean, but it ain't. Rims are dirty, tires dirty, engine's clean. Factory alternator on there still. All I've done was cold air intake. My buddy put a new power steering pump on a couple months ago. That blew out on me. Like right down the street, literally leaking freaking all over the engine. So got that shit fixed. New alternator, new idler pulley, new tensioner pulley, new braided, stainless steel braided fuel lines. The copper lines were already done by the previous owner. You can see the copper lines for the brakes. Those were already complete. No issues there. Because these trucks, Avalanches, Tahoes, Trailblazers, Silverados, all of them are infamous for rusting out the brake lines, which is shitty by GM, but hey, it's 22 years old. But put the new tensioner pulley on the serpentine belt. My buddy did the tensioner pulley on the AC down below, and new belt for the AC. Cold air intake on this one as well. Them headlights are about a year old now. Look brand new. Got them off Amazon. Same with those. Those headlights are about a year old. I put the blue lights behind the grill so it looks cool at night. Got blue underglow on each side between wheel to wheel. Anyway, quick little video of this car show I'm at. Oh, get the dirty Trans Am. Went out for a cruise last night. Get the WS6. It is super clean inside. No cracks on the dash. Seats are immaculate. You remember I had taken out the back seat on this last year because the back seats are pointless. I want to be able to haul something if I am able to. Seats are in perfect condition. They can go back in the car if I end up selling it. Oh, look at the reflection now. That's that Silverado. Ooh. almost dropped the telly. Anyway, thanks for watching. Appreciate you watching. New video coming soon. A couple of things I'm about to do to the trucks and the Trans Am. Have a good day.